How to change the TradingView background. The very first thing you want to do is to head over to the official page of TradingView. Enter your login credential and then log into your specific account. Once you are in here, do the right click on the screen and over here you can see the option of color theme. Click on it. Two different options will be available to you. One is light and the other is dark. Let me click on dark. There you go, your dark theme mode has been activated. Well, if you want to modify it more, then what you want to do is click on the start properties at the top right and then head over to symbol. Inside symbol, different other options are available. Let's say you want to change the body color, click on it. Tons of different color options will be available to you. You can choose any of the color from here. Similarly, you can also change the color of borders, wick and also the color of last price line. You can also change the thickness of the line. Once you have selected the suitable color for you, click on OK at the bottom. The changes will take place in your TradingView.
So that's it, and this is simply how you can change the background on TradingView.
I really hope this video is going to be helpful for you. If it does, please make sure to like and subscribe to our channel. And thank you for watching it till the end.